In this video, we will explore how to effectively utilize enhanced forecasting to maximize the potential of your Cell Premier instance. First, let's look into how we can apply dashboard filters when drilling into reports. We must note that runtime filters are available only for native Sugar fields and that calculated Discover fields are not supported. To open the dashboard filters, click the funnel icon just like you would on any other dashboard. As you can see, no filters have been set yet. Also, you may notice that some of the dashlets have runtime filters and some don't. To use dashboard filters to control these reports, you must first add a runtime filter to the report in the Discover interface before adding the dashlet to a Sugar dashboard. If you add a runtime filter to a report after adding the Sugar Discover dashlet to your dashboard, you must remove the dashlet and re-add it. And this is what we're going to do right now. We open the report in the Sugar Discover interface, and in the Formatting Show section, we check the Runtime Filters box to make them visible. After that, we simply go back to the Query Layout panel. Select any field by which we want to filter, and then choose Make Runtime Filter. Your selection will show on the right in the Runtime Filters section. When you have added all the filters you need, click Save As and give your report a name. A best practice is to make these changes in the Discover report before adding it as a dashlet on your dashboard. In this scenario, since we added the runtime filters afterward, we must remove this dashlet and instead add a new dashlet with the report we have just saved. Going back to the initial Dashboard Filters panel, we can now create a new filter. Provide a name for the dashboard filter, in our case, Close Date, and then click on a runtime filter in a dashlet to add it to the filter group, which here is the expected close date. When you select a runtime filter, the runtime filter and dashlet's name are added to the dashboard filter group. A dashboard filter group can have one or more runtime filters, so we may add other filters if you would like. Note that if you remove a runtime filter from a report, the filter is automatically removed from the dashboard filter as well. Adjust the dashboard filter in the Dashboard Filters panel according to your needs, and then click Apply to apply changes to the configured dashlets. This is how you can create and use dashboard filters in enhanced forecasting reports. Another feature improvement is the ability to drill to focus drawer for reports. In previous versions, when you would drill into a report chart in Sugar, you would be redirected to Sugar Discover, disrupting your workflow. Now, when you have a Sugar Discover chart, clicking on that dashlet opens a focus drawer in Sugar, containing the underlying pivot table on the left side and the original report on the right side. This will allow users to keep their context and get the necessary information without being sent to different screens. A selected report segment is distinguished via stripes within the focus drawer, highlighting the segment that was drilled into for enhanced readability. This set of enhancements, dashboard filters, and the ability to drill to focus drawer for reports helps create a more seamless contextual reporting experience. Thank you for watching.